What if I told you that in the heart of Africa, a nation once seen through the lens of struggle is now scripting a new destiny? One pixel, one code, one light at a time. Welcome to Ethiopia, a land where the echoes of ancient empires meet the hum of rising ambition. Cradled in the Horn of Africa, bordered by 6 nations, yet reaching far beyond its borders, Ethiopia is Africa's second most populous nation. Over 132 million hearts beating to the rhythm of transformation. From the Kingdom of 𝐒𝐿, dating back to 400 BC, to the futuristic skyline of Addis Ababa, this nation has never been colonized, only challenged, and it has never stopped rising. Once a headline for hardship, Ethiopia now leads a narrative of resilience. With a 7.1% GDP growth in 2023 and the mighty GERD lighting up homes and hopes, it's becoming East Africa's powerhouse, both literally and symbolically. Addis Ababa, Africa's diplomatic capital, is not just a city, it's a signal. Here, modern light rails glide past innovation hubs. Over 117 million textbooks are opening young minds, while thousands find purpose in smart industrial parks. But on May 16, 2025, Ethiopia didn't just speak, it soared. Africa's largest drone show lit up the sky above Addis. 1,500 drones painting visions of unity, technology, and rebirth. It wasn't just a show, it was a statement, a fusion of light and national pride. Each formation honored milestones: the Green Legacy's 25 billion trees, AI breakthroughs, and a dream of digital sovereignty. Critics raised eyebrows at the cost. But for Ethiopia, this was an investment in inspiration, fueling a future where drones dance and data empowers. It's not just lights in the sky. It's proof we belong on the global tech stage. We're coding our future. From STEM classrooms to startup incubators, the message is clear. This generation isn't waiting for opportunity. They're building it. With fintech hubs, smart city blueprints, and rural tech integration, Ethiopia is turning challenges into innovation. The theme of that night? Connectivity, resilience, unity. This is more than Ethiopia's story. It's Africa's awakening. From the ruins of kings to the rise of code, from famine to a future forged in silicon and sky, Ethiopia doesn't follow the future, it builds it. One dream, one drone, one destiny at a time. With plans for smart cities and fintech hubs, Ethiopia is leveraging technology to bridge urban-rural divides. The drone show's themes, connectivity, resilience, and unity, reflect a nation determined to turn challenges into opportunities. Ethiopia's story is Africa's story. A land once fractured by conflict now charts a course of unity and innovation. From the GERD to drones, this nation proves that progress is possible when tradition and technology walk hand in hand. As the sun rises on a new Africa, Ethiopia lights the way. A reminder that the future isn't borrowed, it's built. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for informative news about Africa. And just remember, we are not just a nation, we are Africans. God bless Ethiopia, and God bless Africa.